Hey everyone, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. Before I move on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So here I am using up some of my leftover paints and pigments that I have mixed in my bloom recipe, which is 2 parts Behr 8300 untinted paint and 1 part of the Polycrylic. So I've done a couple of bloom swipes, a couple of blooms. I've been working on some coasters and had a ton of just little amounts left, so I decided I would put them onto this round, this wood round, and see how they all look together. So that first color was Amsterdam's greenish blue with some TLP Glisten, and the purple is JDiction just purple, and it's really pretty. It's so pretty, oh my goodness. And then this is the DecoArt copper. I had some PearlEx Antique bronze. Once I get all these little dollops and puddles onto my wood round, I'm going to be swiping. And this piece looks absolutely amazing when it's done. TLP's Sangria is probably my favorite of the TLP pigments. This is Pebeo's iridescent blue-black. I didn't have a whole lot of it left, so I wanted to just kind of drizzle it over top. And then 24 karat gold by DecoArt with some of the Golden's iridescent gold fine, which is just an amazing sparkly gold. And I had lots of this greenish blue left, so I just used it sort of as a flow extender just to make sure I had lots on there, which of course I did. And then my swipe paint is Amsterdam's titanium white, 1 part, and 3 parts Australian floetrol, and nothing else. No water, no nothing, just the 3-to-1 Aussie floetrol to paint. I am currently at just over 800 subscribers and would love if you would subscribe to my channel to help me hit that 1,000 mark. Thank you so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, time to give this a little spin. Make sure you stay tuned for the wet results at the very end. This piece is beautiful, as you can see. I love this color combination. It was amazing how all my little leftovers looked so well together. And if you're looking to contact me, you can check out my website at amysacrylicartistry.com. I'm also on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And you can also send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com, especially if you're looking for commission pieces, which I do. And I'm already booking into February. So if you're looking for a commission piece, I would love to hear from you. All right, so there's a quick little close-up just to start with. The lacing of that Australian floetrol is just absolutely beautiful, and I love how these colors blended together. So here's the wet results. That sangria is just, if you don't have TLP Sangria, you have to get it. Must. And with that blue-black from Pebeo's, I was glad that I drizzled it. It just adds some beautiful little pops of the blue-black. That's my favorite spot right there. Everything blended so beautifully. All right, so I'm gonna have dried results with a coat of resin as a short. It will be coming soon. Hopefully it'll be done and ready to post right around the same time that this video is out. So you can have a look at my shorts to see the dried results of this little beauty. And it is for sale. If you're interested, send me an email. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!